Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about factorization method. That is how to find solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. So if you are willing to learn this topic, then this video is for you. So let's begin. So while solving the equations, first we find linear factors. Hence this method is called as factorization method of quadratic equation. So let's study this in brief. So let's see one example. So they have given one example, that is x square minus 14x plus 13 is equal to 0, and we have to solve this with the help of factorization method. So if we'll compare with this general form, what is this? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, right? So how to solve this? So in this we find factors. So here we know that a is nothing but 1. So if nothing is given along with x square, then it is 1, and c is 13. So 1 into 13 is 13 in this case. So I will write down here. So it is 1 into 13, and our middle number, that is b, is minus 14 in this case. Okay, so 1 into 13 is 13 and middle number is minus 14. Now we have to see two numbers such that their multiplication is 13, okay, and their sum or difference is equal to minus 14. So two numbers we can say are 13 and 1, okay, but now we have here minus 14, right? So we'll need to take minus 13 and minus 1. So minus 13 into minus 1 is 13 in this case. You can write minus 13 into minus 1, it is 13, and minus 13 minus 1 is minus 14. So minus 13 minus 1 is minus 14. So both these numbers satisfy this condition. So what we have to do is, we have to write this minus 13 and minus 1 in place of this minus 14, okay. So the equation will be x square. Now in place of minus 14x, we'll write minus 13x and minus 1x. So it will be minus 13x minus x or minus 1x plus 13 as it is equal to 0. Okay. Now we'll make two pairs. So this is 1 and this is second. So from this we can take x common, right? So if we'll take x common, what is left is, so 1x from here and 13 from here. Similarly, if we'll take 1 common from this, so minus 1, then it will be x minus 13, because minus minus is plus. So it is equal to 0. Now we want this and this same. So which is same. So we can take x minus 13 common from both. So if we'll take x minus 13 common, so what is left is this x and this minus 1. So in second bracket you will get x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So from this we can say that x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 1. That is, we can say that x is equal to 13 or x is equal to 1 are roots of this equation. So we can say that 13 or 1 are roots of given equation. Okay. So our next question is 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. Again we have to solve this by factorization method. Okay, so as we know that we multiply this by this, so 13 into 2, so 13 into 2 in this case is 26 and middle number is 27. Now we have to see two numbers such that their multiplication is 26 and their sum and or difference is 27. So which are those two numbers? Okay, so if we'll do 26 and 1, so we know that 26 into 1 is 26 Okay, so multiplication of this is 26 and addition of this both is 27. So those two numbers are 26 and 1. So we can write 26 and 1 in place of this 27y. Hence our equation is 2y square plus 26y plus y, or 1y we can say, plus 13 is equal to 0. Now from this and this, so from this we can take 2y common. So what is left is y plus 13. Similarly from this we can take 1 common and y plus 13 is left, which is 0. Now we have to cross check whether this is correct or not. So y plus 13, y plus 13 both are same, hence it is correct. So we'll take y plus 13 common and what is left is 2y plus 1. So this is equal to 0. So we can write y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is, we can write y is equal to minus 13 or y is equal to, so this one will be minus 1 on this side and 2. So this will be minus 1 by 2. Hence we can say that y is equal to minus 13 or y is equal to minus half are roots or solution of given quadratic equations. Okay. The next question is 6 root 3x square plus 7x is equal to root 3. So we'll arrange this in this form. So we'll get 6 root 3x square plus 7x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Now as we know that we multiply this by this. So 6 root 3 into minus root 3. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. So minus 6 into 3, which is minus 18, and middle number is 7. So we have to find two numbers such that their multiplication is minus 18. Now we know that 9 2s are 18 and difference between 9 and 2 is 7. So we can write 9 and 2. Now we have to check for sign. So here we have minus 18 and we have plus 7. So if we'll take minus 2 here, so 9 into minus 2 is minus 18, plus minus is minus, and 9 minus 2 is 7. So both the conditions are satisfied of multiplication and difference. So we can write 9 and minus 2 in place of 7. So 6 root 3x square plus 9x minus 2x minus root 3 is equal to 0. Now we have to take this and this pair. Okay, so from this what we can take common is, so we can take 3 root 3 into x common. So what is left is 2x plus, in this case, root 3. So as we know that 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 root 3. Okay, and in next is it is 3 root 3 into root 3 is 9. You can solve it. Okay. And from next we can take minus 1 common. So what is left is 2x plus root 3, which is equal to 0. Now this and this are same, so we can take it common. So 2x plus root 3, and in next bracket we'll get 3 root 3 x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, so we can write 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0, or 3 root 3 x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 2x is equal to minus root 3. That is x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Or we can say 3 root 3x is equal to 1. That is x is equal to 1 by 3 root 3. So you can say that x is equal to minus root 3 by 2, or x is equal to 1 upon 3 root 3 are roots or solution of given equation. Okay, hope so all your concepts are clear. Thank you, and please do like and subscribe to Only Mathematics.